Honda Acty starts, then dies immediately, issue fixed.
Oh, so it ran great, and now I don't think the fuel pump is working anymore. I don't hear it prime. I'm about to see if there's power going to it, but this is my morning. Okay, battery. Oh, battery tested fuel pump. Fuel pump worked. Tested from the car when you try to start it. It's getting voltage. This fuel filter looks destroyed, so I'm about to take that off.
Carb removal and clean.
Oh, well, I think this thing needed to be pulled out and cleaned anyways. Look at that. Eeh. Let's do it. Cheat. Oh. Oh. I hope this works. First time I ever cleaned a carburetor. And it made me like realize why I like fuel injection too. But anyways, let's try to put this back together.
Got spark, fuel, air, vacuum leaks 0. Still the same thing. Ignition switch removed.
It's kind of dirty in there. Let's try to spray, clean it out. Maybe clean inside here too. We'll see.
Contacts on ignition switch are cooked, sanded and cleaned.
Okay, so
The fix
this whole
explained.
time, it was my ignition switch. Now I ordered another one. I got tired of waiting. I pulled this whole thing out. I sanded off the contacts in the back here, these guys, and now, like, this is crazy. So before, it would start, and then it would just die. So now, it was just this switch, man. It was kind of bad like that. Even the AC and stuff, it wouldn't come on. I was having some issues, and it was all the ignition switch. Like, I changed, oh my God, I did all kind of maintenance, because I needed to anyways, because I want to keep this thing, but holy crap, bro. It was just the ignition switch. So, if your Honda Acty ever starts up and dies immediately, starts up and dies immediately, starts up and dies immediately. I was talking to my buddy who lives in Houston, and he's like, bro, have you checked your ignition switch? Sure enough, it was, man. Way to go. All right, so yeah. So I'm gonna drive this sucker again. Oh, yes.